A wise old bird once told me, and I believe it's true. He said the world's full of different birds with different points of view. But sometimes there's a job so big, if we want to get it done, we've got to bring those birds together and all work as one. And that's cooperation.
Co-op, co-op, cooperation. Co-op, co-op, cooperation.
With just a little cooperation, we can make it through, me and you.
Co-op, cooperation.
The redbird and the bluebird, the falcon and the finch, even the proudest of the peacocks knows when to give an inch.
Because no matter what the problem, we're sure beyond a doubt.
If we put our heads together, we're gonna figure it out.
And that's
Cooperation.
with just a little cooperation, we can make it through, me and you.
Co-op, co-op, cooperation.
Oh, it doesn't matter whether we're birds of a different feather.
As long as when the right time comes, we're ready to work together.
That's cooperation.
Co-op, co-op, cooperation. Co-op, co-op, cooperation.
With just a little cooperation, we can make it through, me and you.
Come on, David. Let us play another one.